Hello guys, in the previous lessons we use and if formula. Okay. And in this case what we are doing, we are testing two logical conditions and we are also using custom test. In this case, in this lesson that we are going to use if or formula. That means we are going to test two conditions, but if either of the condition is true, okay, that means the logical test will be true. So take for example, if a student is from Oxford or Harvard, we can call him one university, that is called Ivy League University student. You can write here Ivy League University student. League University student. Okay, you can use it. Just a minute. Ivy League University student. Okay. That means what we are checking here, if the student is from Oxford or Harvard, we can call him one Ivy League University student, or he is not an Ivy League University student. How we can do it? The similar way we can do it, okay, like let us write here. We are writing this is and we started with and, then we will write here or, okay, or logical test one. Okay, if the student, this is the college, if the student is from equal to Oxford within double quote, we are putting in double quote because it is not the part of the formula, rather it is a text that we are putting here. Then this is the first conditions, that is if the college, that means student is from Oxford, or once again we can also same, we can take equal to Harvard within double quote, Harvard bracket close. Okay, that means the student is one Ivy League, it is true. Okay, we can do this. Double click on this. We have got the logic here is true, here it is false. Let us see. In this case, what happens? The student is from Kingston. The student is from Kingston, not from Oxford. Okay. So we can see here also Harvard. It is true. In this case, it is true. Here you can say this is also Harvard student. It is also true. This is true. Okay. What we want to use custom text. In that case, what we can do? We can write if. Okay. So logical test we have put, then first logical formula if, then logical test we have done, then here we can write comma, okay, that is Ivy League University student, Ivy League University student. Okay, we can write within double quote, we have to put it here, then we can write it comma, then or not a Ivy League University student. Okay, double quote end. Ivy League, it has to also be Ivy League University student. Okay, then we can close it. Okay, so we have got it. That means the student, we can also, after that we can double click. We can double click here. Just a minute. Okay, now we have got it. Ivy League University student, you can check it here. The student is from Oxford. This student is from Kingston, therefore not one Ivy League University student. Okay, so Oxford, we can check this, all this. So here we can also see Kingston. It is also not a Ivy League university student. Okay. So what we have done here, we have used two formula. One is if, then another is or. Okay. And if we are using here because we are using a custom test, and or we are using here because we are testing two conditions, and if either of the condition is true, that means it is found to be correct. That means Ivy League university student. Okay. That's for the lesson. See you in the next one.